Hi guys. So I haven't done a Citrus Lane unboxing in quite a while. And I just got my November one a few days ago and thought I would go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I've already opened it just to save because I'm doing this one-handed. That way I'm not fumbling around. I'll just go ahead and get started. Of course, the first thing you know that's on top is their little card that they always send you that, talks about the things that you received inside. So I'll just set that aside, and I already, ripped into the tissue. Okay, so the first thing here looks like, and I'm guessing by this puzzle piece that it's probably a puzzle. Yeah. Jigsaw puzzle, 16 by 16 inches, 36 big pieces, 3 years and up. And that must be what the picture looks like. Let's see if I can open this. Yeah, so it is. It's a puzzle, which Emma is absolutely going to love. She is obsessed with puzzles. She has like 20 of them, and she is going to go crazy over this. She's probably going to do it the second she sees it, so that is right up her alley. All right, so the next thing in here looks like it is some green apple age-defy hand cream by Juice Beauty, the organic solution. All right, cool. Yeah, I love lotions. So I could probably just go ahead and throw that in my purse. I always have to have lotions on my hands, so that's great. Next thing, it looks like maybe some coupons. Yeah, some coupons for some chic holiday cards from Tiny Prints. All right. The next thing in here is the Faber-Castell 15 watercolor crayons. Ooh, she's gonna love these. We've gotten just the regular crayons with them in the past, but these are the watercolor crayons where they can paint with a paintbrush after they color. That's fun. And then it looks like to go with that is some watercolor paper. Yeah. All right, she's gonna have fun with that. That's all that's in there. So, well, fun. She's gonna have a grand time with these. So that is what came in my November Citrus Lane box. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will make sure I unbox future boxes for you guys. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Yes.
Hey, guess what? Your Citrus Lane box came. Do you want to see what's inside of it?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come over here. It's over here. Come see it. Come see what's in your box.
Yeah.
Okay, sit up there. You can see. Come sit up here. Look, a puzzle. You want to put it together? Yeah?
Yay. Mama,
What?
piece of paper together.
Build it together?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, I see maybe a snake on here.
Yeah.
Is that the picture?
Yeah.
Right here? Look at that one. Look, there's a piece of the elephant.
Where's it?
Look, there's some more of the elephant. Does that go on there maybe?
Yes.
Yes.
It's fit. And maybe this one's fit.
Oh yeah,
It's fit.
it does fit. Good job.
Do. And maybe this is for Tia. It's for you.
Wow, you're so smart. Oh, here's the bird. Where's that one go? Over here, the bird. No, other side. Turn it around. That's right. Turn it around like this. I'll show you. Turn it around like this. See? You can do it. Look, there's that piece. Where's that go? We're so close. Almost done. Switch it over. Okay, you do the last piece. Wow. It's done. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Good job, baby.